everyone, and welcome to the RV Inspection and Care podcast and video. Today we're going to be talking about whether you should be buying RV extended warranties or not. Now, before we start that, though, let me invite everybody listening to the podcast to subscribe, and that way you don't miss any of the great episodes coming up. And please visit my website at rvinspectionandcare.com. There's tons of information there for articles and videos that'll help you learn more about RVs and RV life. But today we're talking about RV extended warranties, and should you get one or not? Well, there's strong feelings about this in the RVing community, both pro and con. So let's talk about it today. Let's kind of reason our way through it. First of all, let's talk about the subject, what is an extended warranty anyway? Well, it's kind of a title or a name that's been given to something that it really doesn't apply the way it should. Think of it this way, though. RV extended warranties are really RV repair insurance. Now, let me ask you this. Do you have auto insurance? Do you have health insurance? Do you have insurance on your RV so that when you're going down the road, if you got into an accident or collision, it would be covered? Well, why? Why do you have those kinds of insurance? And why do you pay those premiums? Nobody likes paying premiums, do they? Well, here's the thing. What you are doing when you have any form of insurance is your monthly premium is the loss that you are accepting. You're accepting that small loss every single month to protect you from a catastrophic loss, a really big expense that could come along and really put a dent in your finances or even wipe you out altogether. So let me ask this then. If at the end of the year, you have not gotten into an accident in your passenger vehicle that cost more than your premiums that you paid for it, the insurance, did that insurance fail you? Or at the end of the year, if you didn't go into the hospital and have a major surgery or experience there that cost many thousands of dollars more than what you paid for premiums for your health insurance, did your health insurance fail you at that point? Well, no, we don't look at it that way, do we? Because what insurance does is it gives us peace of mind. It provides us with less anxiety and worry, financially speaking. I think you'd agree with me that we've got enough things to be anxious about and worried about in today's world. It's really good to have some things that lower the level of anxiety and frustration and worry. And insurance is what can do that. Now, insurance, and this is really important, is not an investment. We must understand that. That's what your investments are for. Insurance is actually a hedge or a protection, like a fence or wall around your investments or the money that you have saved, because it's protecting you from big, huge losses that could really wipe you out. So, is RV warranty coverage or extended warranty coverage worth it? Well, almost everybody has insurance for their RV, a collision insurance, right? Going down the road. If you don't have that, then you're really asking for some problems and trouble. Well, here's the truth, my friends. You are much more likely to have a large RV repair bill, I'm talking about in the thousands of dollars, than you are to have a collision in your RV. And it's not if, It's when you're going to have a major RV repair bill. RVs are expensive. They're not cheap. Much more expensive than a passenger vehicle or almost anything else that you're going to drive. So it makes sense to have protection from those very large repair bills. Now, let's talk a little bit more about some other practical aspects of extended warranties and answer some questions about it. First of all, what do extended warranties cover then? Well, they can cover pretty much what you want them to cover. If you want to have pretty much everything covered, there are comprehensive policies for that. However, if you have a higher risk level and there's certain things that you're okay with accepting not having coverage for, well, there are warranties and programs that can allow you to save some money and exclude some things out of the warranty coverage. The next question, does it cover maintenance items like tires and brake pads and things like that? No, it doesn't, because that is your responsibility. But what extended warranty coverage is for breakdowns or repairs, things that fail, something along that line. That's what they are there to care for. Will they pay for labor as well as parts? That's a good question. A lot of people think they just pay for the parts. No, they'll pay for labor and parts. There's usually a deductible. Again, we're talking insurance here, so we're all familiar with what deductibles are. So there's a deductible that you cover, and after that, the warranty takes care of both parts and labor for you. Where can you use these extended warranties? Well, the good news is that in most cases, you can use them at almost any licensed RV repair facility across the U.S. Now, let me say this. I have an extended warranty on my RV, on my 2004 Newmar diesel pusher. Yes, sirree, I have an extended warranty on it. And even though it's really almost 20 years old, that's especially because of that. I have an extended warranty. Why do I do that? Well, it, again, my friends, gives me peace of mind. Now, I have used the warranty several times already, but you know what? Even if I didn't, it would give me peace of mind. Because when you have a diesel engine in an RV, especially diesel pushers, if anything goes wrong with that engine, like a catastrophic failure, well, then you better get your wallet out. It's going to be tens of thousands of dollars for you to repair that. I feel much better having shifted that risk to the insurance company instead. Now, I'm hoping that my engine never has any problem like that. I'm hoping that there's nothing major on my RV that's going to break down, that's going to require thousands and thousands of dollars. But I have the peace of mind that if that happens, then I don't have to come up with a huge expense out of my pocket. Well, the final question is, where can you get an RV extended warranty? You're going to see a lot of extended warranty companies advertising, but let me make a recommendation. I personally support wholesale warranties. They have a great reputation, a stellar reputation among RVers and the RVing community. And so I feel that they are a company that's going to deal with you right and help you find what's good for you, what's going to make you pleased with their service. Now, wholesale warranties doesn't just sell one warranty, their warranty. Actually, what they do is they shop for you. They have several companies that they choose from that they feel are the ones they can trust for their customers. And all of these companies that they use are rated A by AM Best. Now, what does that mean? Well, AM Best is a ratings service for insurance companies. So if a company that provides insurance is rated A, it's the very best company. So that's the only kind of company that Wholesale Warranties will do business with. They're not doing business with fly-by-night companies or shysters. But because they have several companies to choose from, they can find a warranty that pleases you, that meets the criteria that you're looking for. So my personal recommendation is to talk to Wholesale Warranties. See what they have to offer. You can't lose anything by just talking to them. See what the cost is that's involved. Is it something you can afford? Is it something that you feel is worth peace of mind? For me, an RV extended warranty is definitely worth peace of mind, and especially in motorhomes, I feel that's the case. But you can make your own decision. Well, that's it for now. Have safe and happy travels, my friends. Until next time.